Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. Today we received another package in the mail of some stuff. What is this? CarPodgo? Let's see what it is. So we'll open it up, give it a try, let you know what we find. But let's see. How do you even open this? And what is this? Whoops. What in the world is this? It looks like an iPad or something. What? Okay. What is this? A camera? A USB something. What is this? Oh wow. A dash mount or a window mount? Let's see what this thing actually is. It looks pretty interesting, I can tell you that. It says CarPodgo. Super cool. Let's see. All right. Hopefully I have something in my email about this thing. Looks like it could be something mounted, probably to that mount. This looks super cool already. Not even sure what it is, but it looks super dope. Maybe this back thing comes off. Not sure. To find out, this little thing on the back, it does come off. It's a super strong magnet to hold it on the dash. Is there a power button? See if it'll turn it on. I don't know anything about this yet, but stay tuned. CarPodgo. I'm gonna figure out what this is, figure out how to hook it up, and I'll keep you guys posted. So again, CarPodgo, screen, I'm not sure what it is. Backup camera maybe? Oh, look at this. More stuff. User manual. It's got Google Maps and stuff on it. I'm not sure. I'm gonna take a look at this. I'm gonna check it out. I'll let you guys know what this is pretty soon. So make sure you like, subscribe, share, stay tuned. Make sure you hit that ring button so you get the next video that comes out on this thing. But CarPodgo, CarPlay for Android. It says it right there actually. CarPlay for Android. This is pretty dope. I'm gonna give this a try. I'll keep you guys updated and informed on what I figure out with this thing. Check out Scotties Hobbies. Like, subscribe, share. I'll see you on the next hopefully helpful video.